When I turned 40 years old, I noticed my hairline was really starting to thin, and I was starting to panic. So I found a hair restoration surgeon, world-renowned guy, right here in Florida. So I went to him and I had the transplant. I spent a lot of money, and he told me, you really should protect your investment. And by doing that, I want you to get this Capillus laser cap. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna stop the hair from falling out that you already had with the surgery. Plus, it's gonna help other hair come in thicker and more fuller, like when you were younger. Being a celebrity stylist, I have access to the best of the best. So if I choose Capillus, you should too. FDA approved, clinical results, you're gonna love your hair.
Well, that's why it's our featured item of this evening. That's why it's our showstopper. You may have seen Capillus in major magazines. You may have seen it in your doctor's office. Plastic surgeons sell them. Today is your day to get an FDA cleared device, clinically proven to regrow your hair. Men, women, this is the only unit itself where you wear it only for 6 minutes a day, and there's over 200 lasers. We've got Barry Pintar joining us with Capillus. This is a battery operated laser, I have to stress this.
Yes.
Laser hat, guaranteed to regrow hair, prevent hair loss.
Yes.
And of course, to help more hair come in.
All FDA cleared with 202 lasers. Folks, that's huge because this is professional strength, professional grade, exactly what you would get from your doctor. So for example, in the past, and even in the early days, you may have seen 8 lasers for about 300 bucks. You may say, well, then I saw something for 800 lasers. Well, or I'm sorry, 80 lasers or 40 lasers out about 800 bucks. This is the professional grade. And look at this before and after. This is what a professional grade, FDA cleared, genuine medical device will do. Look at Daniel there. Wow. In the before, look how his hair is thinning. And to your point, Amy, someone like, you know, I've sat with thousands of people like Daniel or Yvonne or all men and women when I worked for a very large medical facility. They would typically come into me and say, what can I do to stop my hair loss?
Right.
And I would be able to tell them we can not only stop your hair loss, we can actually regrow your hair. Now, it's important to understand this is for men and for women. If we get a quick shot, let's take a look at Yvonne real quick. She was a female who would come in with very typical pattern thinning, which is where the part gets wider and wider and wider. Someone like Yvonne would come into me and say, what can I do to stop my hair from thinning? And I would be able to say, we can not only stop your hair from thinning, we can actually help to regrow your hair where there's a follicle. We're gonna flesh this all out for you to make it total sense. But the bottom line, Amy, like you said, a real medical device. Super important to understand that. Exactly what your doctor would give you, HSN is making available.
It's so important today. We rarely have this on sale. We have it for you today at $300 savings. And right now, maybe you're masking that baldness or that thinning area, that receding hairline, gentlemen, you don't know what to do anymore. Maybe you've had hair plugs and you're like, okay, now what do I do? This is a way for you to go ahead and regrow your hair. In fact, Capillus and HSN believe in this product so much, we're going to give you 180 days.
Yeah.
180-day money-back guarantee. Imagine, that's past Thanksgiving, and you're going to have more hair on your head. I know it's an investment, I get it, it really is. But I'll tell you, even after 6 months, if you don't see an improvement, which you will, you can return it. But again, Capillus is known throughout the entire world for professional quality. We're gonna share with you some amazing stories and how well this works. And I'll tell you, when you look at this gentleman, that was only gonna get worse. It's not like all of a sudden, okay, it's gonna stop. That's only gonna get worse.
That's right, because it's what is called as androgenic alopecia. Androhuman, male or female. Genic, you inherited alopecia, hair loss. It is a progressive disorder. So there's Daniel again, coming into me saying, how can I stop my hair loss? Great news, Daniel. We can not only stop it, we can get you a professional grade laser treatment to regrow your hair. And look at Yvonne. See, I love this. Ladies, if you're at home, I want you to know, I understand. I've sat with hundreds, thousands of yous in tears or stress, running the gamut of emotions because your part's getting wider and wider and wider. You would come to me just to say, please help me stop losing my hair.
Right.
And again, I would be able to say with an FDA cleared, genuine medical device, we can not only stop the loss, we can regrow it. And look, Amy, look at the sides, how thicker and fuller. Look at the back, how thicker and fuller.
Look at
even
the
bangs.
Front, the bangs, I should say, look at that baby here coming in.
And filled in. And now this is Lester, 3 months. I like to show Lester because to Lester, you're not gonna notice much in 3 months. You're just starting to stop losing. That's why we're giving you till February 2020, because we're growing real hair. Hair you can cut, color, perm, do whatever you want. There's nothing else to buy, no special shampoo, nothing. This is genuine, FDA cleared medical grade that you use at home to stop the hair loss and to regrow the hair.
It's 6 minutes a day.
Yeah.
I love what you said. February 2020 is how long you have to return this. But you're going to regrow your hair. We're guaranteeing it. The FDA cleared it. Capillus is the leader when you're looking at a professional laser hair regrowth system. That's exactly what this is. Martino uses this. Dr. Dennis uses this. There's so many people that use this, so many people that want their patients to use this because it really works. Whether you're male, whether you're female, you're just starting to see it, or you've got a lot of hair loss, or maybe you're a woman right now and you're teasing a lot and there's nothing you can do. You're putting in sprays and powders and it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. It's gonna continue to get worse. This is the only way that you can stop, prevent, and regrow. I wanna stress that. We're stopping the hair loss, we're preventing future, and we're going to regrow more hair. And this is the best savings we've ever had for everybody. Don't forget, it's on free shipping, 6 interest-free credit card payments. That's the most we can do here at HSN. Dr. Dennis, we're gonna take a listen to her, why she recommends this and uses this herself, because again, it's addressing so many different issues that are going on with our hair right now. And again, in 3 months, stopping of the shedding. It's going to get better. The next one, 3 to 6 months, decrease of the hair loss. Then up to 12 months, you will visibly see your hair change. That means you'll look in the mirror, I see it, I feel it, it's coming back. And think about it, you keep using it, it's only 6 minutes a day, it's lightweight, you put the cap on, you press the button, and we give you a 2-year warranty. You're going to see the most notable results in just 24 months. So take a listen to The Good Doctor. We're gonna go over the offer, and again, it's an FDA cleared device.
My name is Dr. Adrian Dennis. I'm a medical doctor. I also have a PhD. 2 years ago, I began to see a profound change in the quality of my hair. I have started to use Capillus, and I find it effective. It is very important for me that Capillus is FDA cleared. You put it on your head, you turn it on, one button, and you're done.
And the nice thing is nobody knows you're wearing it.
So here's the thing.
That's the cool thing about it.
And did you hear what Dr. Dennis loved about it? That it was FDA cleared. Let me explain what that means.
Okay, let's talk about that.
That's so important because again, having sat with so many of you, I understand that you have questions. To get an FDA clearance, it's huge because that means you have to prove to the FDA through human clinical trials, #1 efficacy, or that this product will do what it says it will do. Now think about that. Don't take Barry's word for it, Amy's, Dr. Dennis's, Martino's doctors. The FDA says this technology is effective. Secondly, it also means that the FDA says this technology is safe. So it's not only gonna do what it says it will do it safely. And Amy, that holds so much weight because I get it. So many of you have been so ripped off over the years. I was one of them. My grandmother started telling me when I started losing my hair in my 20s, it's because I'm wearing a baseball cap too much. Love Grandma, that just wasn't true. You bought this lotion, bought that potion, bought this pill, bought that pill. Here's the bottom line, ladies, and real quickly, let me run through it. There are only 3 things the medical community recognizes to help stop hair loss and help cause regrowth. I'm telling this so you don't feel a need to go look for something else. One is a topical you put on and leave on twice a day. One is regular visits to the doctor's office to get injections, expensive, painful. The third is low-level laser therapy. The first 2 you buy over and over and over again for the rest of your life. This you buy once, you use it 6 minutes once a day. The lasers will last 83 years with regular use. That's why when we say you buy once, you buy once. Professional grade, I'm telling you, at the end of the day, it is so powerful to get this home because it will totally change your life.
It'll work. Like I said, I know it's an investment. And you're probably saying, is it for me? I don't know if it's for me, is it for me? Let me share with you. When you look at the male chart and the female chart, I wanna share with you. Okay, take a look at this. If you see yourself in the blue section, guess what? Everybody can use it, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is a Savin or the Ludwig chart for the females, classical medical chart that every doctor will use when you go into every dermatologist, because keep in mind, dermatologists are who sell most of these to patients. That's the classical pattern, right, ladies? You're sitting at home, your part got wider and wider and wider. If you don't stop it, it continues to get wider and wider and wider. Amy, I always say, I'm not gonna tell those women in the white not to use it, because they may just wanna stop the loss. They may wanna fill it in more. They may not have to, they might be able to get away with fibers and not have to wear a wig again. I'm telling you, it's revolutionary. You got 6 months, just try it. You got nothing to lose. Let's look at the men real quick. Ludwig scale, okay? This is the typical pattern for men, okay? So receding, receding, receding.
Right.
Bald crown. Again, if you're in the blue, you have a lot to gain. You can totally stop that loss, totally fill that in, but this is a good time to explain who this is for and who this isn't for. This is treating the follicles, okay? If you're shiny bald, I'm a great example of it, unfortunately. I hate using myself as an example. I lost this hair long ago when I was in my 20s. There are no follicles there.
Put your hair down.
They are long gone. But this top, I was able to save because that was sitting, I'm telling you, it looks way better than it did in my 30s even. I wish I had this. I don't. I'm okay with it because otherwise I would probably have nothing, because just like we saw in Daniel, I was able to stop that loss and help to cause regrowth. As a matter of fact, we can show you through some animation, we can eventually do exactly how that works, because what's happening is your root or your follicle is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. It's actually dying until it's permanently gone. That is permanent baldness. So what the medical community wants to do is catch it before it's totally gone, right? Just like we did here. Here comes a very specific color spectrum of light that's going to reach through your hair, reach through your scalp, down to that follicle. What it's doing is it's stimulating the cells in that follicle and reversing miniaturization. So Amy, truly, that is fully back to its full healthy state. So the loss stops and regrowth actually happens. Guys, again, can't say it enough. This is a very real medical device that you can get at home for 6 months. And the bottom line, I say, take it to your dermatologist, take it to your doctors. If not, send it back, but I guarantee you, you're gonna be excited about what you see.
Okay, I'm telling you, there is nothing else like it. And I'll tell you, when you look at this, this works. And I know you're frustrated. I've watched my mom suffer with hair loss. I've seen a lot of women in my family suffer with it, and it's just something you accepted, right? Or maybe you're trying over the counter different products and it's just not giving you the fullness that you want, or you're masking it with a lot of hair products. Today, you have a chance to regrow that hair. You can use it, your husband can use it. Maybe you've got a 20-year-old son and he's losing his hair and you're like, oh gosh. You know what, you look at your mom and dad and that's kind of exactly what's gonna happen to you. So try this, think about it. You have till 2020 to regrow that hair. I mean, it's something so important to all of us and yet we rarely talk about it. So tonight's your chance. Capillus has been featured in every major magazine. The biggest plastic surgeons recommend this. And before HSN, you could really only buy this at dermatologist's office or plastic surgeon office. So try it. You put it on. In fact, we're going to show you. Oh, we have a model joining us this evening.
Well, Amy,
AKA Towelboy.
2 models.
So here's the reality. I wanted to come out here and speak to Barry because, first of all, lovely to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
Truly.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
You have helped so many and inspired so many from talking us through. Lovely Sonia's here as well, of course. So I want to face facts. I'm losing it.
Yeah.
I'm thinning. And so my question is, you know, I've been online and looked and Googled all these different options, as I'm sure many of us have, right? Can this work for me in the condition that I'm in?
Yeah, there's no question. You know, again, if you would come into my office, I've met with thousands of gentlemen just like you and ladies. As we looked at that chart, you have classical androgenic alopecia where receding, starting to thin in the crown. So what's so important is that you catch it. So you can, first of all, stop the loss. And that's what's going to happen in 0 to 3 months. So look at this chart right here. So Adam, you're probably, I'm going to say about a 3. Okay. You're right there where you're receding and the crown is starting to go. You're on your way to what's called a 3V or a 3 vertex, where there's where you're just losing. But here's the great news though, seriously. So what you can see and what I can see is thinning hair.
Yeah.
But there are tiny baby fine hairs that if I put a microscope on you, which I would do, I could see.
Yeah.
But even still, we can't see them all. So not only can we stop that loss, and this is for males or females, FDA cleared for males and females, but that's actually gonna fill in over time because the tiny baby fine hairs are gonna thicken that up.
There's something you said, because I'm listening and I'm thinking, well, I got to do this. I want to do this.
You do.
But Barry, you said something about it being FDA cleared.
Yeah. That's
remarkable, isn't it?
That's huge, and that's what you heard Dr. Dennis talked about, because again, that means the FDA says this technology, number one, is effective. It will do what I'm saying. It will help stop hair loss and help cause hair regrowth. If that weren't the case, it wouldn't be FDA cleared, and it's going to do it safely as well. Look, you know, in many ways, Adam, this is like you. This is Daniel. Look what happened to him in 6 months, right?
That's crazy.
So I'm sure if you're, I mean, I'm not going to speak for you, but if you're like one of the many men and women I met with, you're looking in the mirror every day, almost panic, like, oh my gosh, where am I going to end up? Well, here's the good news. We can not only freeze where you are, but actually fill in, just like Daniel.
So here's the reality. Amy and I, this was a little while ago, we were looking back at some pictures, we did it again today, of like 8, 9, 10 years ago, and I had such thicker hair. And then I look at myself in the mirror today and I'm like, where did it all go? And you do, to Barry's point, you kind of panic a little bit. Folks, it's obviously emotional. It's obviously not great. I obviously wish it wasn't like that. I wish I had thicker, fuller hair, right? We all do. The reality is the only way to make a change, and I've sat and watched Barry with Amy on Beauty Report and so much more, the only way to make a change is to do it. So I met with the team before the show, and I'm going to do it. They're going to take a before picture of me, and I'm going to go on this journey with you.
I love it. Yeah.
How long before I hopefully start to see a difference? Okay,
so 0 to 3 months, you may actually see a little bit more loss, and what that means is, and I mean a little bit, and that's maybe.
Okay.
Just because if, you know, we saw those follicles getting smaller and unhealthier.
Yeah.
If it's really growing a bad hair, it's going to spit it out to start to regrow a nice, big, healthier hair.
Okay.
Okay, but here's the thing, and Amy knows this well because we talk about it a lot. You're growing real hair, so you've got to be patient. You've got to give it time. About 5 to 6 months is when you're going to hear probably family members or Amy some Friday night saying, right before you're on, hey, you know what? I think it's working. No, trust me, that's what happens, because here's what you're gonna do.
Yeah.
This is what you're gonna, oh, there's no mirror here. Darn it. Okay, so you know how models usually have, this is what you're gonna be doing she's right on it. Okay, this is what you're gonna do, trust me. Daily. So I'm telling you this, folks, because you're not going to see it. You're going to hear it from other people around you.
Well, because we're used to seeing ourselves all the time.
Yes.
So then when all of a sudden you haven't seen somebody in a while, they're going to be like, something's different about you. You look a lot younger.
Yes. Yeah, true.
That's the one thing that people will start to say, exactly, is that you look younger. Because we associate thick hair with youth. So maybe you're saying to yourself, like, okay, Adam's seeing it, I don't really see it, sweetheart.
Oh, I love you, Amy.
I don't really. He looks the same as we did when we started.
She's a good fibber.
Years ago. But you know what? It's true. You know, you just kind of accept it. A lot of us, we just say, hey, it's going to happen.
Yeah.
Or you spray or you do other things. It's only going to get worse. Like we were saying earlier, it's only going to get worse. At least now you can stop it, prevent future loss, and regrow more hair.
Yes.
All in one 6-minute treatment.
Wow.
That's how, I mean, when you really think about it, that's the best thing about it.
And buy it once.
One time.
So every other, Adam, option that you have or any lady out there has, you have to buy over and over again for the rest of your life. So again, I don't want to talk about price. Yeah. Aside from the fact you're not going to get it cheaper anywhere. Trust me, I work with doctors every day. They sell it for $2 grand. Boom.
I saw in a magazine for $2,000.
That's the price.
That's just what it is. So you're saving money here. You're getting flex pay. You get 6 months to try and send it back, but you've got to give it that 6 months because you're growing real hair.
So can I just quickly address something? Because this was perhaps the pivotal thing that really convinced me. When Barry and the team said, listen, when we're on HSN, we give folks 6 months. Everything that we offer on HSN, you get 30 days. We all know the world famous 30-day money-back guarantee, right? With this product, because they are so confident that you're gonna see results, I'm gonna see results, when you spend, you know, the flex payment today of what, like $200 or so, you can do that 6-month journey, and by month 6, if you don't start seeing thicker, fuller, better quality hair, you can return this to us and get a refund of the purchase price. So it's not for me to spend your money, but the way I look at it is, I've got nothing to lose. If I don't do it, I'll never ever know. I know I've got to do something.